Hello students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is ascending and descending order. In today's session, we will understand about arranging numbers into ascending and descending orders. Let us first understand the meaning of ascending. Ascending means arranging the numbers from smallest to biggest. In ascending order, the number gets big at the last. The first number is the smallest, the last number is the biggest. While in descending order, it is opposite. In descending order, we will write as biggest to smallest. We will first write the biggest number and at last we will write the smallest number. Let us understand the concept one by one. This was only for the meaning. First, we have ascending order. Ascending order in one line means smallest to biggest. Here you can see a monkey who has stairs. This monkey is on the stairs. Now this direction is telling you that he is going upwards. He is going upwards. Like ascending order, it means going from down to up. नीचे से ऊपर जाना, छोटे नंबर से बड़े नंबर की तरफ jana, that is called as ascending order. Here you can see number like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These numbers are increasing one by one. Here is the smallest number, 11 is the smallest number, 15 is the biggest number. This means the order of ascending order. It goes in this direction like the monkey is climbing up the stairs in the ascending order. First, we see that the number increases as we go up to the stairs. As we are going up on the stairs, we can see the number is increasing. 12 is more than 11. 15 is more than 14. 15 is more than 13. The number is getting bigger as we are going up. Yes, as we go up to the stairs, the number gets big. So we may say that the numbers are in ascending order. We will say that कि numbers ascending order में हैं क्योंकि numbers छोटे से बड़े होते जा रहे हैं. जब भी आपके पास ऐसे numbers हो जो सबसे छोटा फिर उससे बड़ा फिर उससे बड़ा अरेंज किया गया हो तो हम बोलते हैं कि ये ascending order है. हम क्या बोलते हैं? ascending order है. छोटे छोटे नंबर से big numbers की तरफ जाना. That is called as ascending order. While now comes up to the descending order. You will see another picture and find out what is descending order. Here you can see the monkey and the direction is also changed. The monkey is now coming backwards, going downwards, right? Monkey is also coming downwards. पहले monkey up climb कर रहा था, right? But now the monkey is coming down and the arrow is also downwards. This means decreasing order. This means decreasing order. Decrease मतलब होता है कम होते जाना. So in decreasing order, in descending order, we can easily understand that the number gets small. The biggest number we will write first and the smallest number we will write at the bottom. Here you can see 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. All these numbers are in decreasing orders. ये number छोटे 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 होते जा रहे हैं. जैसे कि 15 सबसे बड़ा number है इनमें से और 11 सबसे छोटा number है. तो सबसे पहले हमने लिखा 15, फिर उससे छोटा 14, फिर 13, फिर 12 और फिर 11. Descending order में क्या होता है? We can say the number decreases as we go down the stairs. जैसे हम stairs पे नीचे की तरफ आते हैं, हमारे steps कम होते जाते हैं, कम steps बचते जाते हैं, उसी तरीके से numbers भी छोटे होते जाते हैं. We may say that the numbers are in decreasing order. जब numbers decreasing में हो तो उसको हम descending order कहते हैं. जब number increasing हो, number बढ़ते जा रहे हो, तब उसे हम ascending order कहते हैं. Ascending order means small to big. Descending order means big to small. You have to find out the smallest number in ascending order and write it first. Then follow the pattern. And in descending order, you have to find out the biggest number and then follow the pattern. That's all students for today's session of ascending and descending order. I hope you all are very aware with the concept and easily solve that.